You look cute. I love it. I'm going to keep you up here for the rest of the video. And you're going to sit up there. Okay?
Do I not talk then?
You're just an accessory.
Okay.
Hi, everybody. It's me, Sarah. This is my accessory, Nick. It's Nick and Sarah. He's Tank Girl today. You can say hi. You have to say hi.
Hi.
Ta-da! What's your favorite thing about being Tank Girl? Tank Boy. Tank Boy? Tank Boy.
I'm taller than everybody else. Can you like lean the bike down?
It is leaned.
Oh.
You did it.
Whatcha?
I'm leaving. Goodbye.
Okay. See ya.